Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Dr. Mir Ahmed. I'm a general practitioner, general physician, diabetologist, and infectious diseases specialist from Medicare Clinic Soil 1920 in HSR Layout, Bangalore, India. And today I'm going to talk to you about another very common clinical case situation which we face very commonly, which is patients complaining that their attenders do not pay enough attention to them, do not take them to the doctor, do not get them their medicines, and do not help them at home when they are sick. So, what is the guidance regarding this? This is from chapter 10, Hadith 2018, narrated an Numan bin Bashir Raziyallahu anhu. Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "You see, the believers, as regards their being merciful among themselves and showing love among themselves and being kind among themselves, resembling one body, so that if any part of the body is not well, then the whole body shares the sleeplessness, insomnia, and fever with it." Which means the entire community is just like one body, and if the right hand has pain and if the left hand doesn't pay attention, or if the left hand has pain and the right hand doesn't pay attention, it is like the same, the whole body is going to feel the pain and the fever and the sleeplessness and the lack of sleep and all the anguish all together. So please don't, it is really important to introspect that when one of us in the community is in distress, we many times we see situations where patients are coming alone to the clinic. They don't even have an attender, and they don't have the medicines, they don't have the ability to take care of themselves. But most of the time, they have nobody to turn to in their distress and their distressful situation. There is one more hadith, 2020, narrated Jarir bin Abdullah al-Bajali, Raziyallahu anhu. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "He who is not merciful to others will not be treated mercifully." So every time we see a patient, somebody in distress, it is like a test for us how we respond to it. Do we show mercy? Because the mercy that we are going to show today is probably going to be returned to us later when we are in need of it. So whenever you see a patient, in anybody in distress, not just a patient, anybody, kindly make sure you show them the mercy that is required of that situation, and stop yourself from becoming jokers, comedians, and humor artists. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.